In this lesson, we are going to find out points on the line joining two charges where E is equal to 0. Now here the charges are of opposite sign. So let's assume that we have a plus Q charge here, a minus 3Q charge here. The distance between the charges is D. Say D is 1 meter. Now we want to find the points on the line joining the two charges where electric field is equal to 0. To find the direction of electric field, always imagine a positive test charge at that point and then look at the force on that positive test charge. And the direction of that force gives us the direction of electric field. A positive charge creates an electric field away from itself. A minus charge creates an electric field towards itself. So this plus charge here will create an electric field away from itself. The minus charge will create an electric field towards itself. Now minus charge has larger magnitude, but the distance is also more. So there will be some point here where the electric field will be 0. If you consider a point in between the two charges, the plus charge creates the electric field away from itself. The minus charge creates the electric field towards itself. So these two electric fields are in the same direction. So they'll never cancel out. So therefore there will be no point in between the charges where electric field will be 0. If you consider a point here, then this plus charge creates the electric field away from itself. The minus charge creates electric field towards itself. Minus charge is stronger as well as closer. So therefore the field created by the minus charge will always be more than the field created by plus charge. Therefore there will be no point in this side where electric field will be 0 except at infinity. Okay, at infinity it will be 0. So therefore there will be a point here closer to the smaller charge, not in between the charges, where electric field is equal to 0. So when charges are of opposite side, there is a point not in between the charges, okay, but closer to the smaller charge where electric field is equal to 0. Okay, and looking at points on the line joining the two charges. So let's consider this distance as x, and the distance to the minus charge will therefore become d plus x. So here the electric field created by the plus charge will have a magnitude k into q by x squared. The electric field due to the minus charge will be opposite in direction and will have a magnitude k into 3q by d plus x the whole square. Okay, the electric fields will have equal magnitude. Direction is opposite. K and K will cancel, Q and Q will cancel. Again we have got squares here, so we'll take square root. So this gives us 1 by x equal to root 3 by d plus x. And if we cross multiply, we get d plus x equal to root 3x. This gives us root 3x minus x equal to d. So x becomes d divided by root 3 minus 1. d is 1 meter. Root 3 minus 1. We can rationalize this. So we can multiply numerator denominator by root 3 plus 1. So we get root 3 plus 1 in the numerator, 3 minus 1, 2 in the denominator. That is 2.73 by 2. That is 1.37 meter. Now we have seen that if the charges are of same sign, then there is a point in between the charges where electric field is equal to 0. And when the charges are of opposite sign, There is a point not in between the charges, okay, but closer to the smaller charge where electric field is equal to 0.